guys, this is the last video for the week. It talks about the counting principle, or the fundamental counting principle, which basically means that we multiply, which basically means that we will multiply the number of outcomes for each event to get the total number of outcomes. This works a lot of the time. I will tell you it doesn't work every time with everything, but it will work with these examples and in this specific one because, well, that's what they're trying to get you to work on. So it says Paul is building a set of reference materials for his office. He can choose 3 dictionaries, or choose from 3 dictionaries, 4 thesauruses, and 4 writing guides, assuming he wants only one of each type of book. How many different sets of reference materials can Paul put together? So simple, 3 times 4 times 4 will give me the total number. So 3 times 4 times 4 is 48. So this will be 48 sets. Okay, Adelaide's family is going to install a custom swing set in the backyard. There are 5 kinds of swings, 8 kinds of slides, and the swing set has room for 1 of each. How many different swing sets can Adelaide's family buy? So 5 times 8 gives you 40 different swing sets. And the last example for this one, Gabby is planning a day out for her grandmother's birthday. They're going to have lunch at one of her grandmother's favorite 3 restaurants. Then they will go shopping at one of her grandmother's 8 favorite stores. Assuming the order of activities doesn't matter, how many different ways can Gabby plan her grandmother's birthday outing? So this is 3 times 8, which is 24 different outings. Alright, so some of them will be longer than 2 or 3, but you just have to really pick through and make sure that you are reading them and picking out all of the numbers. So we'll see you guys next week.